Welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video, we have one very interesting question from radical equations. Here x cannot be -1 and x belongs to real numbers. Now we'll be solving this question by taking reciprocal both sides first. So we will write fifth root of 4x plus 7 plus fifth root of 7x plus 4 over fifth root of 81 times x plus 1 after taking 81 common out, and in RHS switching off 1 over 1 will give us value 1. Now we'll be multiplying our numerator with fifth root of 3. So we have to multiply our denominator by fifth root of 3. Now we have to multiply fifth root of 3 with both the numbers written in the curly bracket. We will get fifth root of 3 times 4x plus 7, which will give us 12x plus 21, plus fifth root of 3 times 7x plus 4. We will get 21x plus 12. And in denominator, we will take fifth root of 81 common. So we will get fifth root of 3 times 81, which is 3 power 4. And then we will be writing fifth root of x plus 1 equal to 1. Now this is fifth root of 3 power 5. If I will write here 3 times 3 power 4, this is equal to fifth root of 3 power 5. Fifth root and power 5 will be over. We will get 3. So here we can write 3. So our equation will become fifth root of 12x plus 21 plus fifth root of 21x plus 12 over 3 times fifth root of x plus 1 equal to 1. Now we will multiply both sides by 3. So I will write here times 3. So I need to write here times 3. Now we will cancel 3 with denominator 3. And we will write fifth root of 12x plus 21 plus fifth root of 21x plus 12 over fifth root of x plus 1 equal to 3. Now we will split our numerator with respect to denominator. So we can write fifth root of 12x plus 21 in the numerator with denominator x plus 1 plus fifth root of 21x plus 12 with denominator x plus 1 equal to 3. Now we are going to use substitutions. Let us say first fifth root equal to a and second fifth root equal to b. So our first equation would be a plus b equal to 3. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now we are going to consider power 5 both sides with our substitutions. So I will write fifth root of 12x plus 21 over x plus 1. If this is equal to a, then I can write a power 5 will be equal to 12x plus 21 over x plus 1. Similarly, fifth root of 21x plus 12 over x plus 1. If this is equal to b, then we can write b power 5 will be equal to 21x plus 12 over x plus 1. Now we'll be adding a power 5 with b power 5. We will get common denominator x plus 1. Now we have to add both the numerator written terms 12x plus 21 plus 21x plus 12, which will give us 33 in bracket x plus 1 over x plus 1. We can cancel x plus 1 from the numerator denominator and get our second equation a power 5 plus b power 5 equal to 33. Now we have two equations, a plus b equal to 3. Now we have to solve this new system of equations for the values of a and b. So I am going to use binomial expansion and Pascal triangle. So a plus b was 3, a power 5 plus b power 5 was 33, and we are going to expand a plus b whole power 5. So let us find the expansion coefficients using Pascal triangle first. So we will write for degree or power 2, 1 to 1. For power 3, coefficients would be 1331. For power 4, 14641. And for required power 5, our coefficients of expansion would be 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So I am going to write here 1 times a power 5 times b power 0 plus 5 times a power 4 b power 1 plus 10 times a cube b square plus 10 times a square b cube plus 5 times ab power 4 plus last is 1, we will write b power 5. Now we will take common out. A power 5 plus b power 5 we will write all together. Then we have 5a power 4b plus 5ab power 4. From there we will take 5ab common. So in the bracket we can write a cube plus b cube. Then 10a cube b square and 10a square b cube, we will take 10a square b square common out. So in the bracket we will be writing a plus b. Again we are going to use algebraic identity here, and we can write a power 5 plus b power 5 plus 5ab. In bracket we will write a plus b whole cube minus 3 times ab in the bracket a plus b. Then we have 10a square b square times a plus b. Now we have to plug in all the values known. A plus b is 3. A power 5 plus b power 5 is 33. So we'll be writing here 3 power 5 equal to 33 plus 5ab in bracket 3 cube minus 3ab times 3 plus 10a square b square times 3. So 3 power 5 is 243. We'll take 33 to the LHS, so it will be minus sign, equal to 5 times AB. In bracket we have to write 27 minus 9AB. Then we have to write 30a square b square. Now 243 minus 33 is 210. Will be equal to 5ab in bracket 27 minus 9ab plus 30a square b square. Now both sides are divisible by 5. So let us divide by 5. We will get 210 over 5 is 42 equal to AB in the bracket 27 minus 9AB plus 30 over 5 is 6 A square B square, or we can write 27AB minus 9A square B square in the bracket. So we will get 47 equal to 27AB minus 9A square B square plus 6A square B square. Or we'll be writing 42 equal to 27AB minus 3A square B square. Equation is divisible by 3. We will divide both sides by 3. 42 over 3 is 14 equal to 27 over 3 is 9. 3 over 3 is 1. Take all the terms to LHS. We will get AB whole square minus 9AB plus 14 equal to 0. Now we can easily factorize AB minus 2 times AB minus 7 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will be getting AB equal to 2, AB equal to 7. Now our first equation was A plus B equal to 3. So from here I can write B will be equal to 3 minus A, which we will apply here. So A times 3 minus A equal to 2 and 7. So 3A minus A square will be equal to 2 and 7. So from here I can get two quadratic equations. A square minus 3A plus 2 equal to 0. Second equation would be A square minus 3A plus 7 equal to 0. From our second quadratic equation, if we will calculate the value of discriminant, then discriminant will come out B square minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 times 1 times 7, which is minus 4AC term, will give us 28. Value will be equal to minus 19. Once discriminant is negative, we are going to get complex solutions. So we will reject this second quadratic equation as we are looking for real solutions. So we have A square minus 3A plus 2 equal to 0. So if I will write here A square minus 3A plus 2 equal to 0. Now we can easily factorize A minus 1 times A minus 2 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will be getting two values of A equal to 1, A equal to 2. Now our substitution was fifth root of 12x plus 21 over x plus 1. This was equal to A. So from here, I can write A power 5 value, which will be equal to 12x plus 21 over x plus 1. So we have to find the value of A power 5, which I will be writing 1 power 5, comma 2 power 5. So A power 5 value will be 1 and 32. Let's put back the value of A power 5 in terms of x. So we will write 12x plus 21 over x plus 1 equal to 1 and 12x plus 21 over x plus 1 equal to 32. We'll cross multiply and get 12x plus 21 equal to x plus 1. Now we'll take this term to the LHS and 21 to the RHS. So 12x minus x, 11x, 1 minus 21, minus 20. Now we have to divide by 11 both sides. We will get x equal to minus 20 over 11. Our first real solution. Now we have to solve the second equation. 12x plus 21 will be equal to 32x plus 32. Now we will take 32x to the LHS. We will get minus 20x. And if we will take 21 to the RHS, we are going to get 11. Now we have to divide by minus 20 both sides to get the value of x, minus 11 over 20. So we have two real values, two real solutions, x equal to minus 20 over 11 and x equal to minus 11 over 20. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.